9.1, question number 11. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. It is the TV tower. ABX TV tower. Height of the TV tower. From a point, there are 2 points. From a point, see that the canal is given. BC is the canal. So AB is the TV tower and BC is the canal. Then, from a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. This is the canal. From here 60 degree. Then just moving back 20 meters. See, from another point 20 meters away. From this point and the line joining on the straight line is given here. Line joining the point to the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. After 20 meters back, going again looking at the tower top, 30 degrees angle. Find the height of the tower. You have to find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Both you have to find. It is wonderful question because the canal, if you do not know the swimming and do not know the climb of the tower, on the tower, both possible. What is the height of the tower without climbing on the tower, and what is the width of the canal without swimming across. So first, AB equal to x meter is the height of the tower, and BC equal to y meter with the width of the canal. Now you see C is the C, comma D be the observing points. This C and points triangle 60 degree. And 30 degree. ACB 60 degree, angle ADB equal to 30 degrees. Now I take the two triangles. First I am taking this triangle. Triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, tan 60 equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 60 equal to opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. So I am writing AB by BC. What is AB? X. What is BC? Y. Okay, let it be. Let's go to next triangle. Then in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, tan 30 equal to tan theta means opposite by adjacent. AB by the big triangle, adjacent is BD, complete. So same AB is the opposite, but adjacent is BD. What is AB? X. And adjacent BD equal to 20 plus y total. Cross multiplying. 20 plus y is equal to x root 3. Otherwise root 3x. Okay. Now here also I am cross multiplying. Y root 3 is equal to x. Both you have to find. Anyone you can substitute. First I am going to substitute x equal to y root 3. Okay. Substituting x equal to y root 3 here implies 20 plus y is equal to, instead of x I am writing y root 3. Y root 3 into root 3. So instead of this x I am putting y root 3. 20 plus y is equal to 3y. Root 3 into root 3, full 3. Then 20 is equal to 3y minus y. So it is 2y. 2y equal to 20. Y equal to 20 by 2. Y answer is 10. We got y equal to 10. Then we can substitute to get x. So therefore x equal to here y root 3. That is y value how much? 10 root 3. So x and y is got. You have the answer from here. X is what? The height of the tower. Therefore, height of the tower equal to x answer is 10 root 3 meter. Then y is what here? Y. Width of the canal and The width of the canal equal to, y answer is 10, so 10 meter.